All right, well, also happening today, you have a chance to join in on the fight against childhood cancer and could even get a huge prize for helping.
Yeah, tickets are finally going on sale today for 11th annual St. Jude Dream Home giveaway. 23 ABC's Lauren Titus live inside getting a sneak peek at the new Northwest home that could be yours. Lauren, how's it looking?
Good morning, Erin and Larissa. Things are looking good here. I am standing in the middle of a $500,000 home just off Renfro Road in the Talladega community. I can't really complain right now. This place, obviously, it's still under construction, but you can tell that things are shaping up really nicely. Now, from what we hear, it is a 4-bedroom, also a 3-car garage. So it's got plenty of room here. We've been touring this place all day, and honestly, I keep getting lost going through all these different rooms. But of course, buying these tickets is for a really incredible cause. All the money is going to St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital. Actually, joining me now is Beth. She was one of the patients with St. Jude. Now, just tell me a little bit about your experience with the hospital.
Yeah, well, I was diagnosed in September of 2011, and when I was 18 years old, and I kind of had nowhere else to go, but St. Jude was a great opportunity for me. And so my family and I went to St. Jude and sought treatment there, and it was absolutely the best decision we ever made. I still go back for checkups, and I've recently went back to my 1-year checkup, and it's been some great progress from St. Jude.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Beth. Now, you guys are taking a look at a graphic for where you can go to buy these coveted tickets. Now, again, these are a limited quantity, guys, so you're going to want to get in there and buy them as fast as you can. You can call 800-385-9134, and if you buy those tickets early, you'll be a part of this early bird special if you get in there before May 3rd. Any ticket you buy, if you win, you could also receive a year's supply of free food. Now, we've also got a special place on our website for more information on where you can go to buy those tickets. Just head to turnto23.com/dream-home. Reporting in Northwest Bakersfield, Lauren Titus, 23 ABC.